si Aya. Bumuhay siya. Ayun.
First time niyang humawak ng sarili niyang corn. Mga nakarang araw, kailangan bigyan mo muna siya ng ano, mga bits. Ngayon, gusto niya siya na may hawak ng corn. Oh.
Cheese.
Cheese, okay. You like the corn? It's yummy?
Yummy, yummy.
Yummy, yummy. Okay. Yeah, okay. Enjoy your corn. It's LaSalle versus UP. Sunday. March ano ngayon? Ano? March 2?
Ate Sam.
Ate Sam. Yeah, Ate Sam is sleeping. Okay, you eat your corn. Ang galing. Ang galing, marunong na eh. Are you enjoying your corn?
Naghihin siya na bendamang kumuha ng grapes kanya.
Ate. Ate Ava. Ate Ava. Okay. You continue eating your corn. No more? You don't like? Okay. Sit down when you're eating. You have to sit down. Sit down, Aya. Very good. Good job.